1 week lang.
Yeah, tama ka naman. Pero minsan, 1 week din ako papahamak sa'yo. Oo, dyan. Sige.
Congrats, you won ang 60K. Click the link.
Oh? Wait, mukhang phishing yan. Hindi lahat ng link ay fake.
Ganun ba?
Oh, yun. Phishing attacks are the bait. Your personal information is the catch. Phishing is when cyber criminals pose as trusted sources to steal your personal information, like passwords, bank details, and even your identity. Uy, bakit naman nakasyo mag-comment?
Nainis ko sa'yo ko?
Inis? Remember, what you post online stays online. Kindness is part of the etiquette.
Oo nga, no? Mas okay maging respectful online o in real life naman yan.
Tip number 1. Never share your password with your friends.
Tip number 2. Don't post personal info like your address or school name.
And tip number 3. Ignore suspicious links. Check the sender first.
Tip number 4. Be respectful. Think before you comment.
And
Tip
tip
number
number 5.
5.
Report cyberbullying.